So we had prepared the format of balance sheet. So I'll just take you through the problem again so that we can identify what are the things that you need to put it in the balance sheet. Okay, so here we have billiards table that needs to be shown in the balance sheet. Then subscription to governor's party that will be shown on the liability side. Then outstanding, any outstandings that will also come under liability side. Okay, outstanding expenditure for this year. Okay, and you need to show loan. This is the loan and subscription received in advance. We have 30,000 which is received in advance, right? Subscription for governor's party. So I'll just show you one by one. So first let us concentrate on the asset side. So first we'll complete the asset side and come back to the liability side. Okay, so we'll start with the asset side. We have a billiards table. There's no adjustment. Okay, rupees 3,90,000. Then we have sports material written off. Sports material minus written off. Okay, sports material 13,50,000 less written off 50,000. So if we write it off, we are getting the balance as 13 lakhs. The next one, we have subscriptions outstanding in this. We have here subscription outstanding. Here, can you see this? 86,800. So 86,800 outstanding subscription add because it is for the current year. So I'm going to take this outstanding subscription. Okay, the amount is 86,800. So that it's an income. So any income which is outstanding, that will be shown under the asset side. Then governor's party subscription outstanding. We have governor's party here, right? So governor's party is outstanding for the year ended 31st March 2020, 55,000. So I'm going to write it here. Governor's party subscription outstanding. So I'm just going to use short forms because there's lack of space. Okay, so which is 55,000. You're going to write it fully. What fully? Governor's party subscription outstanding. Fully you have to write. Okay. Then there is a deficit in the income and expenditure account. So this deficit, what we are going to do? This deficit, what we are going to do? We need to show it in the asset side. So on 1st April, deficiency 13 lakh. So I'm going to leave one space here. Add deficit of 13,800. Already there is a there is a deficit. Now I want you to observe this carefully. So you can see here the balance carried down is 2,39,600 and the balance brought down is 30,000 given. This is as on 31st March 2020. So we need to do a balance sheet, prepare a balance sheet for 1st April 2019 in order to understand what is the capital fund. Okay, so you understood what we are trying to say. We have to do a balance sheet on 1st April 2019. So consisting of whatever figures relevant for 1st April 2019, we need to take those items and we need to do. So I'm going to just prepare it here so that you'll be able to visualize and it is easy for you. So let me just take all these things. Let me just make it ready. So I have prepared this, this format of balance sheet as on 1st April 2019. So 1st April 2019, we have the balance as here. Cash, we have cash balance, which is the to balance brought down 30,000. So I'm going to write 30,000 here. Then outstanding expenses stationery, we have outstanding expenses stationery relevant for the previous year, which is the balance here. I guess you can see this 31,200, which is a liability. Outstanding expenses 31,200 related to 1st March 2019. So this is relevant for 1st April 2019. Okay, so I'm going to write it here. Outstanding expenses stationery 31,200. Then we have loan. We have loan here, loan of 20 lakhs on 31st March 2019. So loan, I'm going to write it here. Loan 20 lakhs. Okay. Okay. Then we have to show subscription due. How much is the subscription due? That is 1819. This is 1819. Year ended 19. Subscription due is subscription due is 20,000. Then sports material on 1st April 2019. Here, sports material is 16 lakhs. Then we have the balancing figure as capital fund. Okay, the balancing figure. This is the balancing figure. Okay, so let me just expand it so that it will be clear to you. So the total of this side will be 20 lakhs 31,200. Here also 20 lakhs 31,200 minus 16 lakh 50,000. So if you are doing this, I am getting 3 lakh 81,200. 3 lakh 81,200. This is my opening balance. What we have done, outstanding expenses stationery 31,200. Outstanding expenses stationery 31,200 related to the year ended 31st March 2019, which is the for 1 April 2019. On 31st March outstanding na, 1st April ko it is outstanding na. Then loan we have, I think that is clear. Then cash. What is cash? Subscription. To balance brought down 30,000. To balance brought down 30,000. That is cash. 30,000. Then subscription due is 20,000. Subscription due. Subscription due. How did we find subscription due? We have this for 1819. 31 subscription to be that was received on 31st March 2020 is 20,000. So it is due. That's why it is received on 31st March 2020. So for the year ended 19, it is due. So we are going to write 20,000 as due. Sports material 16 lakhs. So I guess this is very clear. 1st April, what is the sports material? I have just taken the figure. Then the balancing figure is this 3,81,200. Now this 3,81,200 is the deficit capital fund. Capital fund, if it has to be shown in the liability side, not in the asset side. Since it is shown in the asset side, it is a deficit. So we're going to take it to the balance sheet.